This is how to add quizzes to your YouTube videos. When uploading your YouTube video, go to Video Elements, and you will have an option to add a quiz to your video. So click on Add, and you will have this pop-up screen where you can add your quiz. And as you can see, you have an option to choose the time you want your quiz to appear on your video. And of course, you have options to type your quiz, enter the answer choices, and select the correct answer. And on this section, you can explain your quiz. And you can always add more quizzes and have more than 2 answer choices. And after adding your quiz details, you can save your quiz or delete everything and start afresh. And to add a quiz to a published video, find the quizzes feature on this section when editing the video. And YouTube quizzes cannot be edited. You can only delete them and create new ones. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.